Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2007 GMC 2500 HD in an SLT trim and powered by a 6.6 liter turbo diesel Duramax V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with a bug deflector up on the hood, fender flares, as well as offset mud flaps. For your massive lift that this truck has, with some nice Mayhem rims and some bigger tires. You also have your step bars there on the back, or on the bottom I should say, and on the back you have a headache rack with some side rails as well, and you have a massive exhaust on this thing as well, so you're going to be able to hear it. But let's take a look inside. So first looking in the back, where you have pretty spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior, and the seats can be folded out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put in this truck or in the back. And in the center you have fold out armrests with two cup holders. Your back passengers do also have their own audio controls, which is pretty neat, and they have some more fold out cup holders right there. And now looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, you do also have memory seating, which is pretty neat, and heated front seats, which are controlled from the door here. Same on the other side too. And then you have a fully power adjustable driver seat, which is what the memory buttons are for. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 330,585 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your hands-free radio controls and your controls for which information is displayed here on your little center, where you can go through your vehicle settings. And if we how do we exit that? Right. Your trip A and B mileage, your trip timer, your engine hours, and you can also look at your fuel economy or your fuel filter life, your fuel range. Hey, you can look at all that information there. And then here you have your, once again, more of your Bluetooth phone control, or your phone controls. You do also have Bluetooth phone controls. And then on the left hand side here you have your 4x4 controls and lighting controls. But then moving on to your center, where you have an aftermarket touchscreen JVC deck with compatibility with SiriusXM, Pandora, can also play CDs, auxiliary. I don't think there is USB, but you do also have Bluetooth, of course, or there is USB, but it can also be hooked up to a backup camera, which this one happens to be, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, so that's neat. Nice upgrade to your regular stereo. But moving down, you have your physical media controls here with dual climate, so you and your other front passenger can stay comfortable. And then moving down here, you have some storage cubbies with a cigarette lighter and a 12-volt power outlet, as well as another just 12-volt power outlet. Another cubby up here, and then you have two cup holders, more storage space, and then your center compartment / armrest here, which opens up to reveal just a bunch of storage space, coin organization, and all that good stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.